how to change background color of Instagram stories. So in order for us to get this done, there are two ways. First things first, I want you to go ahead and tap the plus sign here and then choose stories. Now here in the stories, what you're going to do is tap the create button. There you go. And then what we are going to see is these color options here. Now it's going to be limited though, so if I were to tap or keep on pressing here, you are going to see different color options. But then again, it is only limited. So yep, here are the only choices that you have. Now another way in order for us to get this done is just by tapping the plus sign once again, going to the story, and here I want you to go ahead and take a picture. Any picture is going to be okay. I'm just going to tap here. There you go. And then we're going to tap this three dots at the top right, and then we're going to choose draw. After choosing draw, you have different color options down here. If you don't see anything, just go ahead and scroll this one. Say for example, I'm going to use this particular color. I'm going to click it, and then I'm just going to go ahead and long press on this one or any part of the picture. So I'm going to try to do so. There you go. And as you can see, we have now created a new color. So you can tap this one, and then you can go ahead and tap the create button in order for you to be able to start typing. And basically that is how you are going to get this done, everybody.